Who are we rooting for? Who?
The Green Bay Packers.
Who's your favorite Packer?
AJ Hawk.
Woo! Who did AJ Hawk play for?
The Buckeyes.
Woo!
And now is the Green Bay Packers guys. Yes.
And what are the Packers going to do to the Steelers?
Bust them in the head.
That's right. Do we like the Steelers? Wow. Wait, what?
Yes.
Who do we like?
We like, I don't know.
Excuse me?
Who do we want to win the Super Bowl?
We want to win the Pirate team.
All right, buddy. Can I get a go Green Bay Packers?
No.
Come on. Ooh. Are you okay?